Is this thing even on?
Oh, God, I need to decompress. I need to decompress. Why, what's the matter? What's the matter with you then, boy? There's not a lot the matter. I'm still trying to sell the Aprilia, and that's the subject of this video. But first, a public service announcement of sorts. Please excuse the last couple of videos I made. I was kind of drunk when I made those. So yeah, they're a little edgy. However, I do mean everything I said. Just that my delivery might not be that pleasant, eh? Where the fuck are we going? We're going this way. Yeah. So there you have it. What else? That's it. So yeah, still trying to sell the Aprilia. It's just amazing when you're trying to sell a vehicle, a motorcycle, on the internet. What is clickety clicking? Did I just like hit a whole bunch of bugs? Anyway, yeah. I've got this listed on Craigslist, and I've got it on Facebook Marketplace for a very, very competitive price. Like, I am undercutting everybody out there that has an Aprilia Shiver for sale. Everybody. And I have really low mileage. So, yeah. But you sure, boy oh boy, when you're selling a vehicle online, fuck, you really get the fucking whack jobs. Holy crap. You get everybody, let's face it. You get the whole gamut. What's that? What's the whole gamut? Please tell us it. Tell us all. You get the dudes that are fucking poor and they have some other piece of shit they want to sell or trade. So yeah, no trades. I'm just trying to get rid of this. I got too many motorcycles. So yeah, so no trades right off the bat. And I don't want somebody else's project that failed or they can't afford. So yeah, no trades. Get the traders. Hello, Grandma. Try and stay on the road a little bit. I would go off on a senior citizens rant right now, but I'll save that for another video. And yes, I'll do it when I'm sober. So you get the traders, you get the lowballers, that are just sort of, lowballing. Oh, Grandma, you are not doing good. Yeah, you get those. And then you get the real assholes out there. I had one the other day. This is on Facebook Marketplace, and he goes by the name YVR. And in case you didn't know, that's the airport code for the Vancouver International Airport. Yeah, YVR. So it went like this. How about 2,000? I'll give you 2,000 for that thing. Cash. Yeah, cash. I'm going to take cash anyway. So, it's funny when people offer cash. Oh yeah, sure. Cash straight across. Especially for vehicles. So I'm like, how about no? So what happens? Most people just go, fair enough. I shot my shot. I shoot my shot. However the cool saying is. And it's like, he responds, how about I give you a wake-up call? Yeah. There ain't nobody gonna give you more than $3,000 for that Italian piece of shit. It's 15 years old. Yeah. Man, good luck. Well, first of all, I'm thinking, well, you offered me $2,000. So, yeah, it's not much of a piece of shit. But the thing with motorcycles is you don't buy them based on their year. You don't buy and sell motorcycles based on their year generally, as a general concept, because it doesn't matter. Because motorcycles, year to year, they don't really change in their innovation. A motorcycle is a motorcycle is a motorcycle. End of story. So things don't change, right? It's done by mileage. It's done by mileage. Hmm? So if you're going to harass somebody because they're selling a bike that's older, well, it tells me a couple things. You are really fucking stupid, which I already knew. I mean, it didn't take much for me to figure that out. And you don't know shit about motorcycles. Shit, buying or selling them. So, yeah. And what else? Italian bikes are great. Yeah, they've got characteristics. My Guzzi and this Shiver have characteristics. And that's not a bad thing. So, yeah, there you go. And then what? You think you're going to bully me? This is the funniest part. Like, so what's your point, basically, right? Are you going to bully me into accepting your cheap-ass fucking offer? By what? Insulting me? Putting me down? What's the point? You take your shot, you make your shot, whatever it's called, and you fucking move on. Just gonna duck out of here. You just move on. But no, this guy had to fucking get all fucking tough. So yeah, that was the experience. So you go to look at the buyer profile, as you do on Marketplace, because that's the other thing, a lot of the other offers are people that just joined Facebook. Yeah, scammer alert. But anyways, yeah, I tried to look this guy up. No, he pulled his profile right away. He hit it or pulled it, which means he's a scammer, or he just goes around on Marketplace lowballing people for things he can't afford and then puts them down and insults them when nobody takes him seriously. So, it's funny. Yeah, and then he pulled his profile, so there you go. I imagine someone else has reported this guy. And that was the other thing. Scammers, 2004 profile. If you want to buy my motorcycle and you want me to take you serious on your offer, yeah, you better have a profile that's quite old, because otherwise, no thanks. Um, uh, what else? Oh, the Carfax. Have you guys ever heard of the Carfax scam? You know what Carfax is, right? It's documentation for the history of the vehicle, whether it's been written off or there's an insurance claim on it, or it's not paid for, unpaid for, shit like that. So, and that's legit. Like Carfax is legit. What isn't legit is when people call or text or email about your bike or your car and go, I need a Carfax before I even consider this. Oh, I don't have a Carfax. I don't have a Carfax for it. And I know about the scam, so I always go, what do you suggest? Well, here's the scam. Oh, you don't have a Carfax? Here, go to this web page via the link I've provided, right? Via the link I've provided. Bing, 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 alert. And you can just put your vehicle details in here. Oh, okay. So obviously you click their domain and you go fill out the form on this web page and you go to submit it. Well, there's like a $200 service fee, and basically it's a scam. That $200 doesn't get anything. It just goes into somebody's pocket. Okay, please go straight. Please go straight. Okay, I'm going next. Fuck you. Yeah, it just hilarious, and people fall for that. They think, oh, well, I really want to sell this car or motorcycle, and the deal's worth thousands of dollars, couple $1,000. So I might as well pay $200 for the proper documentation. So people fall for that. So yeah, that's a scam. Obviously, I'm not local. I'm buying this for somebody else, and I will I'll send you some money, but I need your banking information to put it into your account. You know, you can e-transfer anybody just using their email and institution. You don't need banking credentials to do that. So there's another scam. What else? What else is there a scam? Yeah, it's not 30K here. It's 30K here. Not back there. Here. What other scam is there? There's some clever ones out there. Wow. Guess the speed limit doesn't apply to you, eh? There, Turbine. I know. There he goes, racist again. What other? Oh, I need gas already in this thing. What else? What else? There's one more scam I was thinking of. You have the wire transfer scam, buying it for somebody else scam, Carfax scam. I think maybe that's it. But yeah, it's amazing. You get all kinds when you're trying to sell a vehicle. So then you get the guys like I was saying, that YVR guy, just a scumbag. Probably breastfed till he was a teenager. His father probably washes his ball sack in the tub for him. You know, just a person that fails at life. And that's the result. So yeah. And then, oh yeah, last but not least, not the scam. We're done with the scams. You have the dreamers. You have the dreamers with no money. You have the dreamers that, they're either drunk one night or stoned, and they're like, oh, fuck, look at this. Dude, I want that. I'll get it. I'll pick it up tomorrow. And then what happens? Yeah, you never hear from them again. Lots of those guys. Oh, man, I love your bike. Just give me a week or so until I get the cash together. Okay, sure. Yeah, no. Now, I do play fair, to be fair. I do play fair. I do first come, first serve until it falls through. So, you know, if you come at me and you're interested in it, well, guess what? You get you get first crack at it. But then I go to the next one, and then I go to the next one, and um, cash at the door. That wins. That's how we do it. So I play fair. I try to honor whoever comes first, and I do, and I have done. So yeah. Well, and you know, I'm not going to tell people what I'm selling this for. It's not your goddamn business. But I'm not asking a lot. It's surprising. You'll be shocked how much I want for this. Um, well, I'm taking it. Should have got a motorcycle, bitch. Yoink. Yeah, I'm not asking a lot. I'll tell you that much. But it ain't free, and it ain't $2,000. Fuck. That's the other. That sticks in my mind the most because you do have people that try and bully you into a lower price. Like, holy fuck, man. Like, you must be a fucking immigrant or you're suffering from intellectual retardation or something because no one's gonna get bullied into fucking selling you their vehicle for less just because you're upset. Okay, she's gonna take 50. And what else? That's it. Ding! Fuel up to $50. Yes, okay. And remove Nazal. Ooh, super clean gas. Yeah, yeah, it's not fun. It's not fun selling a vehicle online. It's just not. I do have the Gucci for sale as well, just out of curiosity. Just see what the market's like for that kind of bike. And I did have a guy from California show some interest. And he said, "Oh man, I love that. I love the bike, but the problem is for me to import it to Canada or to the California. This has to. I need this and this and this." I'm thinking, holy fuck, dude. That's a you problem, not a me problem. Look at this, you guys. Holy shit. I'll miss her, but she gotta go. Um, yeah, I don't care what import documentation you need. You need it, not me, man. Not me. Why is the gas light still on? I did put gas in this. $20 worth? Yeah, she's right there. Um, yeah, that's a you problem. It's just a hassle. Like, there's no way. The irony is, my Gucci is an import from the United States. So all that documentation was taken care of by someone prior to me owning this. So it's probably in the American Canadian blah 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 system. So anyway, it was probably a scam, and I just said, "Nah, dude, I want cash at the door, and then we're good. We're good." That fucking gas light better go out. And we're good. There we go. Yeah. So there you go, everybody. That's all I got for you. Selling vehicles on Marketplace and Craigslist, it can suck. It can really suck. But people make a living at flipping vehicles, so dealing with all these different types of people and the fucking inbred assholes, just it's all part of the game. All right. We're doing 30K. It's all part of the game. Hopefully this thing sells. We're in June now. We're in June. Oh yeah, some pallets. We're in June. Weather's good. People have biking on their mind. Hopefully she sells. And on that note, goodbye. Goodbye.